Now point number 16. Point number 16 is all about mind. All the three circle 16, 17 and 8, all the circle area are the mind. So you have to develop this thing in your mind. So positive attitude, because most of the time the mind is bombarded with the negative attitude. Here from chart number 2 I mentioned that many things are coming supplying to the heart through the mind. So this is one of the that we have to we have to think every time in a positive way. All the negative issues are already supplying, so you have to make those negative into the positive. So basically all the sunnahs are a positive attitude. Everywhere there is a positive attitude. I just explain one sunnah, like somebody promised to you for something and they could not fulfill. He could not fulfill it. So you have now your mind is full of negativism. You are just thinking negative about him. So now, so that negative issues you have to make it positive issues. Maybe okay, my brother he could not make it. Maybe he was stuck with something. Maybe he has some sudden problem he has. So maybe he's not well. So maybe he forgot. So many things in the mind has to be positive way. So think positive. Make those negative issues into positive. And all the chaos fighting in the world is from the mind's negativism. Okay. Now there are a few things. Protect the mind from foolishness, deception, darkness, and destruction. As you know, the mind becomes foolish very immediately after watching something. When the senses watch something, the mind becomes foolish. So a lot of deception happens in the mind, and darkness is already there. The mind goes to so many dark places, so many dark wrong things, and destructions. So mind goes to the destruction. Yes, it is. It's a fact. So, organize mind, have common sense, silence, rest and sleep, let go, leave it, keep the mind empty, filter and relax. This is a very powerful concept, very powerful point, that you have to train your mind. You have to train it. Our mind is untrained. So that needs training. So let it. Something happens, let go. No, let it go, let it go. So train the mind. The best way to relax the mind is rest and sleep. So always hold this point very firmly. You have to learn how to sleep quickly. Very simple technique I said about sleep. That try to stop thinking and focus to sleep. While you are on the bed after following the sunnah, so lie on the sunnah and then try to just try to stop thinking and focus to sleep. So ensure you'll be able to sleep. So you have to learn this technique, that silence, common sense is very important. So many things you have to just leave it. So this is one point. So this is all about mind. You have to train your mind, very important, because it is the mind who is destroy the heart, na. So you have to work a lot on the mind. So lock on the mind so that all these negative issues should not come. The lot of destruction in the mind.